Hello, welcome back to another Camilla Contrives video. Today we've got a Temu unboxing. I've already sort of started unboxing it, so there's not as much crinkling, but there is going to be a bit of crinkling. So let's get on to what I've got. Showing you what I've got. Let's move it out of the way and go through what I ordered from Temu for you. Excuse me. So this one was a box of stickers. I can't remember what stickers they were. Bakery treats. So these, oh yeah, these were coffee time. They're all upside down now. So it's like coffee cups, teacups, and books, letters. So yeah, there's quite a few designs. I just thought these are nice just to add as a little extra accent. So yeah, baking, chopping boards, notepads, newspapers. Bowls. Are they bowls or are they cups? Cups and bowls, glasses. Yeah, I think that's a bowl. Just things to do with sitting down, relaxing with a cup of coffee. Got some flowers there too. So yeah, just nice designs. Just add accents into pages. Or journal spreads. So yeah, we've got all of these. So let's put these back away. If I can lift them all up. And they do come with a little tin, which I think is nice. So yeah, like I said, I was looking for people, but everything other than people, and windows. I was also looking for windows. People and windows I was looking for. Didn't get any of that. And then I got these fairy forest packs because I do like fairies. And we've got them in different colours. I think they came in, I'm pretty sure it was just like a pack of 6, but they came in 2 separate packs. I don't think I'd ordered 2 separate packs. Yeah, there was. It was a pack of 6. So they come in all these different colours. So pink, purple, orange, yellow, green, and red. Open this up and show you the red pack because I think they're all the same, just different colours really. So yeah, so we've got a butterfly. We've got lots of butterflies actually. I do love butterflies. And then the fairies. I think we've got 2 of each fairy. Two of each fairy. Maybe 2 of each butterfly, or maybe more than 2 of each butterfly. Not sure. butterflies everywhere. So yep, all of those butterflies, and then you've got these, which are like tags. They are pet tape, so if you were wanting to write on them, you'd probably have to use like a marker, like a Sharpie, or you can put more stickers on them, because it is a bit hard to write on pet tape. But yes, if you've got any quote stickers or alphabet stickers, you can write on them. So yeah, so we've got them. But I do like more whimsical fairy designs, flower designs, butterfly designs. In case you hadn't noticed by my first video where I put a unicorn in the middle of a garden. Just because, why wouldn't there be a unicorn there? So yeah, so I've got those. And they did come in a 6-pack. And then I got these, I can't remember, I think these came in a 6-pack as well. Did they? I don't know. I don't remember. We'll go through each of these individually. So again, these are pet tapes. So you get 2 large designs that you could either use as a large design or cut up. And then these 2 smaller designs, which are individually cut out. Although these stars and moons and the butterfly here in the background aren't, so you could cut them out separately from the flowers. So some are cut out, some aren't. Some of these intricate designs you'd cut out yourself. So we got the red pack, the yellow pack. I'm moving on to the pink red pack. Pink, it's pink. And again, you get 2 large pet tape designs that you could either cut up or use as is, and the smaller colours. But they are different designs for the larger pet tape in each. I think the flowers are pretty similar designs though, aren't they really? And these were called the Rose Bloom series, if you were wanting to get them from Temu. This one has a quote on it which says, "Pure white roses are flawless." I think that's the only one with a quote on it. The others didn't have. I don't think any of the others have. We'll have a look. Yeah, these did come in a set again, I'm sure. So the Rose Blossom series. But they are beautiful. I got them more for the larger pet tapes. But also, I mean, they have gold holographic. If I can't speak today. Gold holographic accents on the flowers too as well. So they're like the lavender purple. one's just a little baby order from Temu. But you can get so many things for so cheap, and they're really nice. So this one does have a little quote which says alluring blue rose. There's two with quotes on. I'm sure the others didn't have a quote on. We'll have a look in a second when we've gone for the bread. Beautiful stained glass one. Yes, yeah, so this one says red flame rose. And again, they all have, the flower ones all have, the individual flower ones all have gold holographic on them. Accents. So the blue one said alluring blue rose. Let's split them up anyway, because... Yeah, no, that one didn't have a quote on it. I was right. I was right. They don't all have a quote on it. Some have quotes on it, some don't. That one said pure white roses are flawless. So it was a white series. All right. The pink one has two. This one says pink durst love, and the top says roses for love. Missed them the first time. So that was the pink set. Sorry, smacking the camera. Oh yeah, it does. Warm sun calendula on the yellow set. So yeah, so that's the set. It comes in a set of, wait, how many was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes in a set of 6. In each set you get 2 full pet tapes. And then 2 individual flower pet tapes of each colour. Some with quotes, some not with quotes. But great for all the journaling. Then what have I got? I've got these. I'm not sure which ones these are. I'm hoping, if Camilla didn't order it wrong, Camilla ordered everything right. These are cold foils. Yeah, they are. So just to add accents onto rip that one, it's fine. Just to add accents onto your paper and your notepads. So I got different ones. Let me open these up. Shush, sorry about the dogs. They've just seen something going past. They're a little bit crazy. But we love them. So yeah, these are the same, but these are gold. So gold foil. That one. In case I need it. silver foil. I can't show you, why can't I show you the silver foil? Got so much rubbish everywhere. I also do struggle getting in absolutely everything, so yeah. Yep, we need little knives or tweezers or something. This is a bronze, is it bronze or rose? Copper rose gold, I think. I will show you. I will show you at some point. Yeah, it's like a copper. And what colour is this? This is gold again. Don't know what was in any of these packs. Well, I do. I knew these were like metallic colours. They're all metallic colours, but these were multicoloured metallic colours. So you've got like purples, reds, greens, pinks, blues. And these are more like your gold, silvers, copper. I already had gold, I already had silver, I already had copper. So did I just get two gold, or is this like a rose gold, eh? No, 2 gold. So yeah, so these are just the normal glue ones. So you just add your glue, stick that down, and then it gives you an accent in your journal, or you can add it to stickers. So say you've stuck this sticker down and you wanted to add like a bit of, it's already got gold holographic accents on it, but say it didn't and you wanted to add like an accent of gold or silver or something, and you get like a glue and you just run it on, leave it for a minute so it goes a bit tacky, stick that down on it and then take it off, and you've got like the accent. So I also then got these pens, which are glue pens to do your smaller accents with, and they also came with refills, and so you got the refills, if I can open it. So yeah, if I can open anything today. Where's that little knife pen gone? Does anybody else struggle as much as I do getting things off of like packaging open, little wax seals on the nibs of everything off so you can actually use them? Such a nightmare. Because until you get it all off, sometimes it doesn't always roll properly. You have to make sure you get it all off, don't you? Oh, now I've got little red bits everywhere. So let's go back to this journal, because like I said, I was using it for pet tapes and washes and things like that. And now we're just using it as a catch-all for this channel. So you roll your glue on. Should we do a hello as well? And then, where's the one that I broke? I ripped one, didn't I? It was this one here. So you get your foil. And you stick your foil down on it. Oh. Come on, behave. And then you leave it to dry, and then you brush off the excess, but I haven't got a brush at the minute. You need to leave it longer than that. But yeah, so you can sort of see the hello. But because I didn't leave it long enough when I did the squiggles, it just came out. I didn't actually do that properly for you, but you get the idea. So yeah, so you can just glue these down. And then with a brush off the excess. But you do need to obviously leave the glue a bit longer to go a bit more tacky. And that's what you do. So yeah, that's a win for me. Where did I just put that? It's there. So yeah, so I've got a pack of them and the refills in that order. So you can just put little bits down. We'll see, we'll see. Put that out of the way now. I'm dropping everything. So they're the foils. And then what else I have got? Got stuff everywhere. I got affirmation cards. Let me just have a little quick drink. Thirsty, talking too much. Rambling on again. And now I've got foil stuck all over me. And it's going to do my boxing. Wet wipes, the answer to everything in life. Wet wipes, the answer to everything in life. Every crafter needs wet wipes. Right. So I get these because they're cheap and cheerful. And they're just little affirmation cards. So I do a daily gratitude and affirmation journal. So whenever I make an order, I'll generally try and bob 1 or 2 packs of these in. They're really cheap, only like a couple of quid, and you get a load. So yeah, inner sanctuary, a retreat to my inner sanctuary, finding solace and strength within. Radiant light, I shine my inner light brightly, illuminating my path and those around me. So what I do is I have a bowl with all different cards in them. So these ones say growth comes from effort, transformation creates beauty. So yeah, so I shuffle them all up and then I take them out and then I mix them up even more. So the different cards are in different parts, and then each day I pick a card out and have that as my affirmation for the day. And then at the end of the day, I have a journal which I write 3 things I'm grateful for. And the reason I use these Temu cards, because they're so cheap, is I then take the Temu card and I stick it in the journal and I reflect on what the affirmation card said and what's happened to me that day. So I've got those for that. And then the last thing I ordered was these, which are blending brushes for stamping. So you know how you get like your little pads and your little finger ones that you can dip in your ink and then blend the colours. For something smaller, or like if you wanted to do smaller pieces of work. Oh my gosh, my hand's stuck in the bag now. I'm not doing well today at all, am I? Or more intricate ones, then you can use these blending brushes, and they're all different sizes. So yeah, so those are my Temu orders for my crafting and journaling supplies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, then please subscribe, because I'm going to try and post every Thursday and Friday. I do have a few more unboxings. I've got an Archer and Olive coming within the next day or two. Placed a wrong order. That should be coming. I have no idea when. It's coming from America. It gets here when it gets here, basically. But also doing more of the creative journaling pages with you. If you want to see my first video and how badly I did, then go and watch that one. We made a whimsical window scene. If you want to see me to do a mock-up of how I do my daily affirmations, let me know. We can do it. Also, would you like me to share the daily affirmation card with you as a short each day? It's up to you. Let me know. Write a comment. Tell me what you think. And thank you for watching if you made it this far. Have a lovely day, evening, whatever it is for you. And I will see you in the next one.